Nice long one tonight, nice and fruity. Gonna have sex on the beach, and that's as much steam as you get out of me. So, we'll start with vodka. I've got the Absolute tonight. I'm making two, a double. So, we're going for 2 shots of vodka. Followed by peach schnapps. This is Archer's. Archer's a lemonade like all the teenage girls used to drink back in the 90s. Ooh, lovely, while looking at the position of the month in More magazine. Oh, very nice. So that's our alcohol. Okay, now 2 measures of cranberry juice. Very good for the weed. 2 of orange juice. This is an easy one to do because it's all equal measures. Okay, I'm starting to run out of space. Okay. Optional is pineapple juice. I'll put 2 of those in. I've got my ice. All the ice is in there already. I'm going to pour some of that in there so that I don't get it everywhere. And we've got the 2 shots of pineapple. So I do like it with both. Both. 3. Right. Okay, so now all that's left to do for our 6 on the beach is to get shaky. We've got to shake well. Get them nice and mixed up, nice and cold, and then into the glasses. We've actually got the right shaped glasses this time. Look at that. Nice. And that will settle over time. Look at all those bubbles going up. You could drink loads of these and get pregnant.